morning, peeps. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amanda. I'm known here on YouTube as Miss Glamazon. You're all very welcome. I have a video for you that I haven't done this type of video for a long time, and it involves... You ready for this? Are you ready for this? Sorry, it got a bit damaged in transit. It is an unboxing of my latest handbag purchase. The brand is Songmont, and the bag is the... You're just going to have to wait and see, okay? Box is open. And I'm taking the bag out of its dust bag. It comes in a little dust bag. And it comes out. You take her out. Here she is. It is the mini song bag. Well, actually, it's the small song bag. It's got the Songmont label on the front. It's very subtle with its branding. I haven't unwrapped it yet, as you can see. Just taking it out now. So you're seeing it in real time, same as me. Has a little strap. This thing come out or what? It has a little strap. It's not long enough to wear crossbody, unfortunately. I wish. So it's a shoulder bag, but I'm not even going to wear it as a shoulder bag. I'm just going to take the packaging off of it. I'm absolutely delighted with this little bag. I haven't started to use it yet because I wanted to unbox it here on my channel for all of you to enjoy. Now, I'm just taking the wrapping off of it. And then we'll do an autumn Beckman in a few minutes, and we'll give you the fall 360, people. I have a little bit of makeup on me, just my usual Catrice. It's a glow stick by Catrice. I wear it as a foundation with a light dusting of powder and some Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess bronzer over top, just to give me a little bit of colour on my cheeks. And then my Cash highlighter on top of that. Right, little scissors. That's a bit of a bitch, guys. Now this is the the Songmont Song small bag. The medium is bigger, and it comes with a crossbody strap. The strap is longer. I don't think I can wear this crossbody, so I will probably wear it top handle. If you look at top handle, if you want to have a look inside, it comes with a little pouch that you can remove, which I'm going to remove just to have a look at it. Oh, very nice. This is the little pouch it comes with. It has a little something there to put your shit. And it has another little something here to put more shit. There's even a card slot in there. So this thing would do as a handbag and a purse if necessary. Okay. And then your Songmont song bag is empty. A bottomless pit. Now, it closes in two ways for security reasons. The first is it has these little magnetic close thingies. You just close them together like that. And then it has a magnetic close in here, and that closes like that. So the bag is pretty secure. I would think that my shit will be reasonably safe in there. And that, my friends, is my unboxing of my new It's Got Feet on it. So when you sit it down at the table, it won't get absolutely manky. It should fit all my stuff. If you want to see what's in my bag, let me know. But it won't be up for a couple of weeks, guys, because I want to use the bag just to get a feeling for it. See if it's the bag I can use, if it's, yourself, user-friendly. Just sits on the crook of my arm, or I can carry it by the handles like that. Yeah, I think I like this bag, actually. I think I quite like it. I think I'm going to get some great use out of it. I will let you know how it goes when I've used it for a while. And that's it, my friends. And thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. If you've enjoyed my little unboxing, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Hold on a sec. Back rolling. As I was saying, YouTube is being a bit of a pucker. It's not putting my videos forward, so people just aren't seeing my videos. And I'm not managing to add to my lovely YouTube family, which is, I would like to, if at all possible. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my little unboxing. It is a pretty little bag. It's not the biggest little bag in the world. I'm going to change into it now. I will do a what's in my bag, but I'll leave it for a couple of weeks just so I get a feel for the bag, because there is no point in me reviewing this bag having not used it. That defeats the purpose. Anyway, my friends, I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please subscribe. It is free. Costs you absolutely nothing. You'd be more than welcome to join my little YouTube family. The more the merrier, that's what I say. I'm wishing you a very happy day, and as I say, I will be back in a couple of weeks with a review of the Songmont song Tote. Have a lovely day, people, and thank you for watching, and big hugs. Mwah.